In today's video, we're going to be going over the 10 things that even the most experienced Disney travelers forget to pack with them. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I do want to also point out that everything that I'm going to be mentioning in this video is going to be linked below, so you can go ahead after the video and select whatever you need to grab, and it will take you to the best items that I think will help you. The first items that we want to make sure that we're packing with us is our rain gear. Now, out of all of the items that I'm going to discuss today, if you only listen to one, please let it be this one. Depending upon the time that you're going to be traveling to Florida to Disney World is going to dictate how much rain you're going to get. I cannot tell you the amount of times that I've been in a park and the skies just opened up and I was not prepared for it and I was drenched through the entire day. So I would highly recommend you making sure to pack some kind of either raincoat, an umbrella, and even a poncho. These items are going to be a lifesaver, and you also can use the poncho to take with you on rides like Splash Mountain where you don't want to get completely soaked. The next item you should look at packing is a sweater. Now again, I know that this sounds kind of a little silly because you're going to one of the states in the US that is constantly warm for the most part. There are times in which Florida does get pretty chilly, and it does happen sometimes spontaneously. This tends to happen more in the fall and winter, but it doesn't mean that in the summertime there could be some days where it's going to be chilly. The next item that you're going to want to make sure to pack with you is a portable battery. As you probably can imagine, when you're on vacation, especially in Disney World, you are going to be on your phone taking pictures and videos of everything that is going on to save for memories. And on top of that, we definitely are going to be using it to use the Disney app. Pretty much everything that you need to do in Disney is going to be run through the app. So of course you want to make sure to have some kind of way to charge your phone, because there is not going to be really anywhere that you can charge your phone on Disney property. The fourth item that you're going to want to make sure to pack is versatile shoes. You want to try to find a pair of shoes that is going to be both comfortable and waterproof if possible. You are going to be doing so much walking and standing at the Disney park. The two shoes that I would personally recommend is going to be the Cloud X, and are you ready for this? Crocks. Yes, guys, believe it or not, Crocs are so amazing and I think underrated for shoes to use when going to Disney World. I recently came back from a trip from Disney, California, and I wore my Crocs the entire time, and let me tell you, my feet did not hurt me, and it was so awesome to be able to wear them, get them wet, and then just simply let them air dry and be good to go. The fifth item is going to be a water bottle. Prices for a bottle of water can sometimes range from $3 to even $6. So for me, I think it's very important to try to have a water bottle with you that you can reuse, so that way you're not spending so much money on water and can spend it on more things like Mickey Mouse sandwiches. Now, another little bonus tip that you can do is that you can actually order a case of water to your hotel room on Disney property. Now, this is something that I am going to start doing because that would save you so much money if you couldn't get a water bottle. But before we move on to our next item that you should be packing, if you are new here, I'm Tynell, and this channel is all about giving you the best Disney news and tips to make your vacation as magical as it possibly can be. So if you like videos like this one, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you have already, hit that like button so that way this gets pushed out to more people who might benefit from it. The sixth item is going to be a backpack. As you can probably imagine, there's going to be a lot of different things that you're going to want to bring with you to make sure to have on hand when you need it. And having a backpack is going to be so beneficial to make sure that you can bring everything that you need, and also you can wear it comfortably so that you're not hurting yourself in any way when you are carrying it. The next item is going to be hand sanitizer. Looking at everything that we just got through and are still going through, we definitely want to make sure that we're staying as clean as we possibly can, because there is going to be so many different families coming from all over the world who want to enjoy Disney World like yourself. So it's going to be pretty germ infested. Overall, if you wanted to, just definitely get a hand sanitizer that's portable so that way you can have it handy. Number 8 is going to be a shower loofah. There's been times where I've gotten everything that I possibly needed and forgot that and had to resort to using the face cloth. There's nothing wrong with that, but I would like to have a loofah to be able to scrub all of the sweat and germs, I know, disgusting, off of my body after a nice, long, amazing day at the parks. Number 9 is going to be gum. Interesting fact about Disney World is that they do not sell gum anywhere on property. This is due to Walt not wanting gum to be all over the place, because if you've gone to any other theme park or really anywhere in public, there's always going to be some kind of gum that's stuck to the floor. And Walt despised that. So if you're someone who likes to chew gum, definitely bring yourself some gum. The 10th tip is going to be making sure to bring your Tylenol, Pepto-Bismol, Benadryl, or even your inhaler if you need one. Now this one is pretty crucial because there is going to be times where you potentially are going to need one of these items. The last thing that you want is to have your vacation potentially ruined because you don't have some of the things that you need. But with that being said, that is going to be all of the things that I would recommend you bringing with you on your first Disney vacation. If you did like this video, again, please make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.